All right, you guys, so the beauty of actually coming here to Arches is we're gonna come here for the off-roading with the truck. And then there's also a lot of hiking trails, like no joke. There's a lot of hiking trails that you can do here. This could take you about a day or two, I don't know, to finish it. I've never actually done the whole thing. But there's a lot of beauty to see here. As you can tell, we did kind of come in the winter. So behind me right here, there is still snow. If looking on this side, there's still snow as well. And then if you look over here, it is a little bit dried up. And you can just see the beauty and the panoramic view of this whole freaking park. We still have a lot to go. This is just the entry of it. So it's not even a percentage of what's here. I just wanted to go ahead and pull over and show you guys what we're looking at so far. But if we do some hiking, I'll go ahead and record that as well, which I don't know because it is actually really freezing right now. We might just stick to being in the car and that's it, and drive around. But it's a park that you guys should definitely check out. If you guys are ever in the area, it's worth the 30 bucks, trust me. Let's do it. Alright, so as you can tell, the trail that we are going to hit, it's saying that you do need a four-wheel drive vehicle. You need to make sure you have low range, which is like 4 low. It's supposedly you don't want to take, like, say, Subarus that have all-wheel drive. That's not recommended. You want to take an actual 4-wheel drive vehicle, as what it's stating here, and also make sure you have high clearance, and probably bigger tires would help out as well. So that's what we're going to be doing right now. I just fell, if you guys didn't notice that. So I don't know if you guys saw that on the camera, but I just fell. It hurt a little bit, but I'm good. Right now we're about to get to Klondike Cliff or something like that. I'm not really sure what it is. As I had said, I've never been here, so I don't know if it's going to be worth it or not. As far as right now through this trail, it's actually been pretty nice. There has been some ruts. There is a little bit of ice and snow, but that hasn't been a problem for the Tacoma. The Tacoma is actually handling very well. And just look at the view behind me, you guys. Check this out. So everything looks nice. In person, of course, it looks a lot better. On camera, you just can't capture the actual reality of this, of how nice this really looks. But so far, we're having fun. It's nice. Yeah. Let's keep going and let's find out what the heck the Klondike is. from the looks of this, after you hit that rock trail, you then kind of go into sand. Of course, right now it has snowed, so there's a little bit of snow and some ice, but no problem at all. Check it out. Looks good. And it looks like sand dunes. And that red rock. You having fun?
Yes.
Damn. How many times did you break the bumper?
I was already broken.
I know, that's true. Someone sponsor me a new bumper. Well. Alright, so really quick, you guys, for reference, I don't know if you guys can see that big rock right there. If you guys do go through here, you'll start seeing it. They get a little bit big. But right there, you want to take it kind of slow. And then after that, you're going to have another massive rock here. There's going to be one on this side and one on that side. It looks like the one on the left side is a little bit easier. That's the one we're going to take. Just because I don't have bumpers or anything like that, I don't want to break anything more than it is already. So just for reference, let me go ahead and go down there so you guys can see how big this rock is. I'll try to get it on camera best as I could. But basically, if I'm looking at it straight forward, you can see the truck is way up there and I'm down here. And not only that, that's just the first section. There's also another little one here, which is still kind of steep. If I come down this way, you can see that as well. So it's a little bit technical, nothing hard, but anybody can do it. So yeah, go on this side better. Right there. Go. Go. Slow. To your right. Right. Okay, go. Okay, go. All right, straighten it out. Right there. Right. No. Straight. Yes. Okay, go slow. Go slow. Go ahead. You're fine. It's probably gonna hit, but it's okay. You're fine, it's gonna hit. It's okay. Okay. All right, and you're clear. Damn. Nice. Let's keep going. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys this really quick. So basically the trail that we're on, it's called Tower Arch, comma, Marching Man, comma, and Balancing Rock or something like that. So it looks like it's a mix. That's how I looked it up on All Trails and it popped up. But basically what we did is we started right here on this section here. Let me try to get the street for you guys. So it looks like the street is called Main Park Road is where I started from. You will see it, and if you guys download this app, it will take you directly to the actual trail. But let me go ahead and zoom out really quick to show you guys. So basically, we've ran this whole thing so far. Through like this section here is where the rocks start. So that is where you're going to need four-wheel drive. And then kind of closer to this section over here is where it gets kind of sandy. But we're basically almost to Klondike Bluffs, which is where we want to go check out. Just in case you guys want to do the same, you're going to notice we came in through here. And there is a left turn there. We did not make the left turn. We just continued, and now we're going to go up this way. That way we could actually reach up here. It does require a little bit of hiking around this section to go up, but that's fine. We'll take you guys along. All right, so I believe we got to the Klondike Bluff. We're not sure. The truck's right there. We had to park. From the All Trails, it looks like you have to kind of stop. From the looks of it, let me go ahead and turn the camera around so you guys can see what we're looking at. But as you can tell, if you guys do have dogs or bikes or anything like that, it says don't bring them. So, but yeah, this is what we're looking at right now. So we're about to hike a little ways and see what's out here.
I'll follow you. Which way? Left or right?
Let's see. The beauty of All Trails is going to guide us. I don't know if you guys can see this. As I had said earlier, of course, the camera doesn't capture anything. So you guys actually have to come out here and enjoy the actual view. But check this out. I don't know if you guys can see it right there. I'm going to zoom in. That's a humongous arch. We're about to walk over there, get some pictures. Let's see what happens. I don't know if I'm going to make it or not because I'm chunky. Alright, so it looks like we got to do a little bit of rock climbing. Nothing too bad. But you do definitely want to be careful if you're bringing kids out here.
You gotta bring your...
You gotta bring your blade. Woo. Not really for people, but... Alright, and the reason I said watch for kids, because, yeah, if they fall right there running, that's game over. So, I guess it's gonna be like a zigzag, kind of, until we actually get there. So I'll try to record some. It's kind of hard holding the camera and enjoy the view and try not to fall all at once. So, we'll see. Damn, don't fall. Just kidding. I'll let you guys know, if you guys are coming out here, when you guys do get to this like hiking rock type section, it looks like you're not supposed to be on this, so just make sure to follow that All Trails app. It'll take you directly exactly to which kind of section you should be walking through. That way you don't go off the trail and into somewhere where you're not supposed to be. You know, you can't destroy nature, you guys. You destroy it, they're gonna close down the parks. Oh, it got cold here. Damn. Look at all that snow, you guys. Don't know yet. This way. Right, you want to take a picture there? You want to get a cool picture? Oh, I didn't record when you were... God damn it. Here.
Ooh, look right here. Ooh.
Damn, so right now we actually stopped. We are following the trail, of course, as you could tell. Alright, so after walking a little bit, we did stop right here because check this view out, you guys. Damn, look behind me. It looks nice, so we're gonna go ahead and take some pictures right there. It's gonna look nice with the log in the background. But yeah, I mean, so far it hasn't been that bad. As far as the off-roading, you do need a 4x4, but it's not crazy hard, especially if you have experience. As far as the hiking, so far, it's pretty easy. We just gotta go that way, kind of climb some rocks, some dirt, and then we get to the final arch. Once we get there, we'll go ahead and give you guys some cinematic shots. I think you guys will like it, because I know we will. Let's do it. Alright, so it looks like we've made it, as you can tell. That's where we parked, of course, the four-wheel drive parking lot on that section over there. Right now we're going to go ahead and keep going to the Klondike Bluffs Trail. As you can tell, it's literally right there. So earlier we were on top of those rocks over there, looking at it this way. And now it's like basically right in front of us. I'll be honest, this trail isn't that bad. Even if you're out of shape like me, you can make it. It's not a long walk. But yeah, we're almost there. Let's see. So we have reached the actual arch, as you guys can tell behind me. It actually echoes right now that I'm talking. I'm trying to talk kind of low. It's really loud. I'm scared. But it looks really good. I have a nice view behind me. I have a nice view in front of me. It's just an awesome view overall. I would highly suggest this one. As I had said, this is the Klondike Bluffs. You do need a four-wheel drive vehicle to get here. I don't know if you want to chance it with the two-wheel drive, but that's on you guys. I'm just letting you guys know what the signs say. Even though you're a little bit chunky like me, you do need to hike a little bit, but it's not that much hiking. It's just a little bit, but there is a little bit technical spots as far as climbing up on a rock. I don't know how steep it looks on the camera, but this is steep. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna slide, but that's fine. Because I don't cut myself. Shit. Did you get that?
Why?
I don't know.
Why you let go?
So yeah.
Why did you
Let's keep
let
going.
go?
I don't know, but it hurt. The tree smacked me in the face.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I think so.
Damn, dude, I didn't do that.
That tree freaking smacked me in the face. Stuff like that. But for the most part, it's pretty easy. It's a short little hike that you have to do. But overall, it's awesome. I hope you guys liked today's video. If you guys did, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. I just... And that, my friends, is the balancing rock of Moab. I'm just kidding. I forgot what it's called.
Balance rock.
Right now we are going to take a quick little walking trail, which is called Balanced Rock. As you can tell behind me, it's actually a balanced rock. So the name speaks for itself. And it looks really awesome. It is really cold right now. but overall, I'm liking this. Could you imagine if that fell right now?
No, don't.